More and more Korean celebrities shared their concern and prayers for the Philippines after Taal Volcano erupted on Sunday, January 12.
June Il-woo, a very good friend of Sandara Park, who also shared and expressed her prayers for the safety of everyone in the Philippines, shared this on his Instagram account. BTSV also commented on a fan's post in BTS fan community Weavers asking for help for fans in the Philippines. My heart really aches lately. I really hope that no one gets hurt and that nature causes no further harm to people. Meanwhile, BTSV's close friend, top actor Park Seo-joon, also shared the same sentiment and posted this on his IG. Former Momoland member and now actress Yeonwoo also posted this on her IG story. Thank you for all the prayers. Let's continue to pray for the Philippines and for the safety of everyone.